Good morning, friends. Anand Thakkar here and Mukund Kaduskar ji. We are going to Gaudivada from Mulshi Road, and we came across this, smoky hill town, which is founded by Shankar Shinde. So here is Shankar ji, along with Mukund Kaduskar ji, and such lovely. You see the small dwellings he has made, and he said a lot of groups come, lot of couples come, lot of even corporate people come here, and very lovely. And they also have tents which they provide when there are more people. And I'm just panning this around. Some nice sitting arrangements here. Okay, and so we are going to go a little inside now, and there is a nice platform. आइए शंकर जी. So you can आप भी जरा बताइए आपने क्या क्या सोच के सब किया है. And some very nice ambience. Absolutely no vehicles, no sounds apart from wind and apart from birds perhaps. Okay, so here is what you see is a net, but here is a platform made. Amphitheater. Okay, Shankar ji calls it amphitheater, and there is a nice sitting arrangement. There is a nice screen. Lovely, Shankar ji. I think your idea, I must give a lot of credit to you. Really lovely. And look at this. And you see that Shindewadi dam. वो एक बंद है छोटा सा, नीचे से आते वक्त हमने देखा था, फोटो भी है. ये क्लिप के पहले हमने we have shown it to you, and this is what you see. The bund, when I'm zooming now, we were actually at this bund when we clicked, Mukunji and myself clicked some selfies and some photos. Okay, so and there is a toilet block here, all self-contained. And look at this tent. So there is a space. Okay, only thing is in heavy monsoon, of course, you cannot have these tents. So for that, there are some very nice rooms and dwellings made here. Okay, so and there is exactly this space on top also, like a terrace. And Shankarji says that there are films here shown and there are films above also. अच्छा, तो ऊपर भी जो जगह है ना वो ओपन एयर है, तो वहाँ भी फिल्म्स दिखाते हैं. ओके, तो नॉर्मली जो पब्लिक को अच्छा लगता है वो, या कैसे रहता है फिल्म्स का?
पब्लिक को जो
अच्छा लगता है वो. ओके, इंग्लिश
आपकी चॉइस.
हाँ, इंग्लिश हो तो यूट्यूब से दिखाते हैं क्या? नेटफ्लिक्स यूट्यूब वगैरह. एक्सलेंट एक्सलेंट. एंड ओके, सो हियर इज व्हाट सीम्स टू बी अ स्मॉल कैफे. ओके, चाय नाश्ता का सब, मतलब लंच वगैरह सब इनका पैकेज ही है. एंड लुक एट दिस, वेरी नाइस. स्मॉल स्पेस, वेरी लवली अरेंजमेंट हैज बीन डन. तो शंकर जी, ये आपका ही सब आइडिया है? हाँ, डिज़ाइन आपका ही है? वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. सच स्मॉल स्पेस बट एवरीथिंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड नीटली. एक्सलेंट एक्सलेंट. एंड लुक एट दिस, आपको कुछ आवाज़ ही नहीं आएगा इधर. नो व्हीकल and no smoke, no sounds, and especially we too are on cycle, so we came without creating any smoke. Okay, so let's go up the platform now. All right, and we come up here, and then of course it's open air. And तो इसका फिर मानसून में ये आप बंद करते हैं, करेक्ट?
हाँ, मानसून में बंद.
Okay, so this is a platform made, and for this top of the platform, this is the topmost point. Perhaps you're almost close to some of the hillocks level. Okay, बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, okay, some nice sign of love here.
कितना पैकेज है, कितना पैसा पड़ता है?
Very good, very good.
जी साहब.
Okay,
499 इंक्लूडिंग, वो मैं आपको भेज देता हूँ.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ये रेट्स वगैरह वो बताएंगे, जो आएंगे रेट्स बता देंगे उनको. ओके, एंड वेरी गुड. सो ये अभी थोड़ा सा बारिश के बाद ये सब थोड़ा और ऊपर चढ़ाने का है, छप्पर वगैरह. तो ये जो है, जो आपको सामने फ्रेम दिखाई दे रहा है, सो दैट्स अगेन स्क्रीन स्ट्रक्चर. इसके ऊपर स्क्रीन लगेगा, करेक्ट? हाँ, ओके, स्क्रीन लगेगा. लवली लवली एम्बियंस. ओके, कुडोस टू यू. वेरी नाइस शंकर जी. तो ये हम यूट्यूब पर डाल के आपको भेज देंगे. एक्सलेंट. ओके, सो आई एम गो टू टर्न द कैमरा ऑन माई सेल्फ, सो यू कैन सी ऑल. वेरी गुड. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट. फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग अगेन. So after Shankar Shinde's mini resort on the nice hillock, we are at the final destination, Gaudivada. Myself and Mukund Kaduskar ji. So let's go through the temple. So I think we should all have some nice ride here on Saturday or Sunday early morning, and then have breakfast at Shankar Shinde's mini resort and cafe, and then go back. So I will share, for those who are very keen on knowing the elevation gain and distance and whatnot, I'll share that. So this is the way to the temple, Radhe Krishna Radhe Shyam temple. Okay, so I'll remove my shoes now. Okay, so we are here. Closed now, temple. Let's see what is inside here. I'm zooming. Okay. Yes. Jai Shri Krishna and Jai Hanuman. And here in the middle, Mukund ji, ये बीच में क्या हो सकता है? I'm not able to see. I'm not wearing spectacles. Okay, guys, we'll find out later on. Okay. So lovely wind, lovely weather here, and we are closing our ride. I'll just get out my camera from here and pan it across the hills here. So this is on a fairly tall hillock. So down there is a place called Gaudivada, and this is perhaps little lower than the tallest hill around here. Okay. There's a little fog here, so can't see much. But
This is Mutha Top.
okay, this is close to Mutha Top. No. Okay.
This one.
Okay. What Mukundji says is we are not able to see, but what we see at distance from here, we can't see in the camera, is Mutha Top. So as the crow flies, Mutha Top may be just about a couple of kilometers away. Great. Lovely ride today, and lovely joints we found out, and this clip will show you all that. So Mukundji, on the way back?
Yes.
Okay,
Have a tea.
I'll turn my camera around. Mukundji has brought some nice tea in his thermos, so we're going to enjoy the tea and go back. See you then. Goodbye.